If Quick Share doesn't work for you on Google Pixel 11, you can open settings on your phone. Then you want to proceed to connected devices, and then over here go to connection preferences. In this menu we can find the Quick Share options. Let's go ahead and open this. Now here we should be able to find who can share with you, and this is of course I think the most important setting that we want to check out. You want to make sure that you are visible to nearby devices. This option must be enabled if you want to of course use Quick Share. But in addition to that, if your phone cannot be detected on another device via Quick Share, then you might want to switch from contacts to everyone for 10 minutes. This pretty much ensures that your phone is visible to literally everyone around you as long as they have Quick Share opened, of course. Now, besides that, if you don't really want to keep changing this option, what you can do is you can open the Receive menu in Quick Share, which you can do here via the settings, or usually you can just simply tap on the Quick Share button that you have in the Quick Settings panel. And then here, if you stay in the Receive menu, you are temporarily visible to everyone. So as long as you are here, as long as you have this menu opened, you can be pretty certain that other people should be able to find you on their devices. Also, a couple of tips, like if we go to settings over here, you can find use mobile data. So if you actually don't want to use mobile data, you might want to turn it off. But at the same time, if you don't have access to Wi-Fi and you want to use Quick Share, then naturally this can be the fix for you. And also we have the tap to share, which seems to be quite new feature. So of course you can try to do that, or maybe if you try to do that and it doesn't work, then you might want to try to use one of those more traditional methods where you can just go to receive and send menus to, of course, get your files. And that is pretty much it. Actually, one more thing. Remember that Bluetooth must be enabled to be able to use Quick Share. If I turn off Bluetooth, then as you can see, Quick Share turns off as well. So just remember about that. Leave a like and subscribe.